Replacing the battery in a modern Volkswagen key is really quite simple. We start by pushing in this button and pulling on the manual key to remove the manual key. We then use the manual key to prise open the cover of the key. So with it open, we just then gently pull it apart and it will then separate. Here's the CR2032 battery, so it's a generic battery, nothing special, nothing Volkswagen specific. And to remove this, we want to push it down and towards this end of the key. So I'm just going to use a scalpel to remove it from under the tabs, and that's the battery out. I then just insert a new battery, making sure it goes underneath these tabs. We then put the cover back on and snap the key closed. Reinsert the manual key and we're done. Just press the lock button. You'll see the red light confirming that the battery has been successfully installed.